we're just gonna film some of the stuff that I like to buy at the grocery store. You guys already know it. But right now we're gonna eat breakfast first, and then we're gonna go shopping. Like literally next door. No, right there. We're gonna go shopping right there. Cheese. 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 This is her third one.
Second. It's her second.
Is that good stuff? So I got the, I think it's the quinoa spinach and Italian sausage. And she got the lemon ricotta pancakes. Yum, yum, yum.
They're as big as my face.
Say cheese. And Zara and Bridget are going to split. Thank you.
What about Tita? What about Tita? What about me?
I love you.
Like, go for it.
Mommy.
What is it? You say hi to the camera?
Hi,
Say hello, everybody.
Hi, buddy.
How is everybody?
Are you dinosaur?
Did you get a dinosaur? Give him kisses. Blow him kisses. You're so sweet. Give me a kiss. Mwah. I love you. You're my best girl. Okay, let's go. We are finally back home. Super cold outside, so it kind of sucked unloading groceries, but we finally made it. So I'll just show you around all the stuff that we bought today, and I put most of everything up, so if some parts are messy in my house, I'm so sorry. I'll get to it. Alright, so first off, my shrimp is actually finished, so this is what I'm actually eating on top of some rice and maybe some avocado. So today I bought... What?
I do.
I love you, baby. What is it? Alright, so back to what I was saying. So we bought some sliders because we're going to make some chicken sliders. So I got that. We got bread. We'll go for honey wheat. Sometimes I eat rye, but I've been unintuned with rye lately, so I've just gotten regular wheat. And of course you get bananas because it's super cheap and it's got good potassium. Then I get lots of green apples because I like to juice kale and spinach and carrots and cucumbers and stuff, so got some of that. And I just like to eat this. Good night, Haya. What are you doing, baby? Turn that off. Don't mess with that. So I like to eat the Honeycrisp apples, and so does Zara. We got some plantains. I like to fry these. These are pretty good. And we got some avocado because I like to eat it with my sandwiches. And of course, garlic.
Hey.
Zara, what are you doing? So next up, we got some soft candy red berries. They're kind of like the Welch's little gummies. Zara actually picked this out, but we're going to give it a try and see if it's any good. Okay, so next up, we got egg whites for my eggs. I usually do like 2 whole eggs and then about a cup of that. Virginia, my sister, got this tapioca pudding. I really don't eat that. This is my espresso shot that I made. And then I got steak for Richard. I don't usually eat a whole lot of steak. But I got some blueberries. These are the organic blueberries. They are expensive. I think it was like $4 for that small amount. So you pay for what you get. And some raspberries. These are also organic, but I like to eat them with my oatmeal and sometimes just by itself, or just a mixture of a cup of fruit with blueberries and raspberries. Then we got some of this as well for our salads. And then we got corn. Zara likes to eat the corn, so that's why we got it. And I kind of enjoy eating it too, but I know it's not like super nutritious for you. Last time I read, it's got a lot of modifications to it. Then we got the Stonyfield probiotics for Zara, and I actually started eating some of this and it was really good. So I might have to pick up another pack, but it's got probiotics in it and not a whole lot of sugar. Like I think it's only got 9 grams of sugar and 4 grams of protein. Then we bought this grapes. A couple, I think it was last week. Next up, we have our almond breeze unsweetened. I like to eat this with oatmeal and make my shakes with it. Because lately I have been trying to, like, I've been drinking a lot of just regular milk, and I've been very bloated the last couple weeks, and so I've just been trying to stay away from a lot of dairy. Because before I used to not, I used to try to stay away from dairy, but I just kind of wanted some and thought it'd be good for the baby, but it was tearing up my stomach, so I just went back to regular almond unsweetened milk. Then we got some orange juice as well. We like to take the orange juice and mix it in with our ruby red grapefruit and cranberry. But as you know how grocery shopping is, you tend to forget a lot of things, and we have to go back and go get cranberry. So here we have the Hometown Original Bacon. My husband loves this bacon. I turned him on to it, so we just buy it all the time. And Zara's been eating crescent rolls, so we've stocked up on these. And I love the French bread, so we got that. And then we have our pork sausage, which I don't eat a whole lot of, but every once in a while I'll crave some of it, so I got that. Then Zara likes to eat the turkey, so I got some of that as well. And I eat that as well with some quinoa in the morning, so that's pretty good. Next Next up, we have, I got some onions, some asparagus. We have more spinach, and then I have beets in here because I like to juice them. I'll probably do another video on that, but I like to make lots of juices from whole vegetables. And we have cabbage here, which I didn't buy this go round, but I bought more spinach and green apples for my juices. And of course, these grapevine tomatoes, or not grapevine, but these red tomatoes that's on the vine. I realized that when they're on the vine, they stay fresh a little bit longer. So I started buying that instead of just without the vines. And then for the meats, we got chicken drum legs, because I like to put them in the oven and kind of like broil them, and they turn out so good whenever we do it that way. And I got lots of turkey because I just try to not eat so much steak, and I'm getting tired of chicken and I'm getting tired of turkey, so I need to figure out another means of meats. I've been eating a lot of tilapia lately, which I didn't buy tilapia this time because we bought a lot of cod, and I need to start eating that, which I've been trying to eat like at least twice a week when I'm pregnant, which I'm pregnant now, but I've just been slacking the last couple weeks, so I need to get back on that. But we have cod, so we need to, obviously cook that and get rid of it, and then move on to tilapia. So next up is our pantry. So I got Zara some apple juice. I usually water that down for her, but we got some Velveeta. Then I got her some of this graham crackers. Supposedly it has less sugars and less preservatives, so it's supposed to be healthier for you. Then we got potatoes, because I like to make mashed potatoes, and a lot of other ingredients that comes with mashed potatoes as well. Oh, and then I also picked some Haagen-Dazs ice cream up. These are my favorite. I usually get dulce de leche, but I'm just kind of like trying to figure out different other flavors. So I actually got green tea. Green tea is actually super good, but my sister thinks it tastes like vanilla. I haven't tried the pineapple coconut yet, but I will. And of course, chocolate, because I am a chocolate fanatic. Well, guys, I think that's all of the stuff that I bought today at the grocery store. I hope that kind of gives you insight as to what a pregnant woman eats, and kind of like a healthy alternative instead of a lot of frozen foods and stuff you just throw in the microwave. I like to cook a lot of, somewhat healthy foods and healthy snacks. So I hope that gives you kind of an incentive to, pick out healthier grocery foods whenever you go grocery shopping. But I hope you guys overall enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and check out my next video for next time.